Okay, hello students. This is the clip number 3. We're gonna make, we're gonna convert the 3D to be 2D in the form of orthographic projection. So from the last time, we we did the isometrics, okay, 3D models, and we can show it like this. But I still have the problem about the center line. Okay, the center line here is not come. Okay, it's not come when we um, press on the layout. So by the way, I put the manually of the center line here, draw it manually center line here. Is look okay, but it's not still satisfying. So I will find a way to do this and will discuss with you in class. Okay, so now we go to how to convert the 3D to be 2D. Um, First of all, this one is not AutoCAD, so you can um, delete this. But before we delete, we will um, create the new layout first to uh, draw the 2D. So we right click here, okay, not plus, okay. If we plus, they are the layout tool, but they are uh, not, we cannot see the template, okay, the title blocks like this, so we don't need this one. So from here, layout 1, we should do like this from template, and then we select the template, okay, our template here, and opens this one. Click OK. Layout name, maybe we will edit it later. So this one is layout 2 based on layout 1, like this, with the model space. This one we can rename to be actually here is here AutoCAD. Maybe it's layout 2. Alright, so here we can delete the projects because this page is not AutoCAD, okay, like this. And then we go to layout 2, the layout 2 again, we do not use the model space. Maybe you cap here, you can see the center of model space. You move it out. After that, you can select it and delete. Okay, and then how to convert the 3D to be 2D, 3D to be 2D. Maybe you have seen before when you insert the 3D here. These are the same, but we select the different view. So first, base, okay, tab layout, base from model space, actually model space selections, okay, click, choose and press here. So we select fronts like this, and I think scale 1 we cannot put the whole view here, so we change it to be scale 1 2. Okay, all right, scale 1 2, and the visible line and hidden line for 2D. Okay, after that, um, let me press here, click, so that here exit, you go to the next. All right, why is the next is not happening? I try. Oh no, it's not exist. Sorry, it just move. Okay, I move first back to here. Okay, let I try it again. It's better. Okay, maybe this message we can hide something. Okay, best again do this and already here. So 1 2 and hit the line for this and front. We press here. Here is axis. You can extend the top of side view and top view. Just press it like this. Okay, we can relocation the position after that and enter. But before enter, maybe you can make the 3D on here as well if you want. Okay, something like this. But this time we do not want it, so just only 3 views and click enter. So you see that the scale 1 2 you can draw the orthographics converted from 3D. So how to relocations? This one, just click the fonts. You see, even it's moved together because it's linked by projection line. All right, it's like this. So you can manage the space between and position. All right. So this one. Actually, if you want to modify something here, first you click on the view and you select here. It's like you change the scale. Okay, this one. The one is not enough to press on this. Select 1 2. If we check the top view or side view, select this. You see difference. So that means if we change the front view, they change all. If we change only top and or side view, they change only that view. So it's come back to be 1 2. And let's see here. Check click the view. After that, maybe double click. Okay, you can see the option and select it. First, what is select? You can select the model, right, and cancel. Then hit the line. If you choose, you can choose that this view you show only visible line or visible and hidden line, shade with visible line, shade with visible and hidden line. You can choose this. Let's try this. It's gonna be this one. It says change for all. If you see, change the option from the top, the front view. This one is okay, and the scale. Okay, it's too like we can input manually the scale like this, but no need, right? Visibility, we can uh, modify some line, okay, like the interface edge, tangent edge, show or not, something like that. Okay, so after we get this. Next, we go to draw the center line. Okay, center line on the tab home and change label it to be center line. After that, annotate and center marks like this to our circle we have. And for the center line command here, to all this view of circle, click this. All right, and then we can change the scale after this. This one and this. All right, after that, check the scale of this. We select all of this. Scale to be 0.3. You can see right like this. Maybe we try just only one first. 0.5 is better. So it should be 0.5 for all. Okay, like this. After that, the center line of radius, let me try here. And this. Do we reduce this one to be maybe one? No. Push back. Or we reduce from here to 2. Okay. We click here at this the square dots and then reduce the length to be 2 millimeter. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. In the arrow here as well, set to be 1. This one to be 1. We can reduce it. Here to be 2. For the arrow to be 1. Here to be 2. And arrow to be 1. Okay, make the same as left and right radius. Okay, after that, I think we should make the section first. Go to the tab layout and then select the style of section here, full, half, offset, aligned. So we choose full. Okay. They ask us to select the section from the center point on the front view. So first, they ask us to select parent view. So we select front and specify the start point is maybe start here at the center. Use a center line and this center line. Okay, we will extend later. So now the section appear automatically. So we press. It depends on we move. You see an arrow on the cutting plane. Maybe I press here first. And enter. See that? It's like this. So let me extend. Use streak here until the end of cutting plane is go to the outside of the model. You see this, the view change like this. Maybe I reduce this more close. This one as well. Okay, it's like this. Let's try if we move this maybe to be here. This one change automatically. If we move this to be here, change. Alright, you see that? If we move the view, click the view, we go to this. It's not changed after we select the cutting plane already. Alright, so if we select to the section linings, we can change the type of that. Okay, change the type of section lining. But this time we use this. Okay, NSI 31. And section already here. Okay, so we back to this center point. Right. And next, center line for the sections is where we paste here. Okay, so can I copy this to make a 4 radius? We choose both and copy, maybe from this center to this. Okay, all right, good. Something happened. It's a want you to relocate that, but we try to print. Okay, first maybe we cannot say this one. This caption slightly reassociation. So you try to reassociations. Try this. So reassociations. You try the new. That's it. Okay. After that, check the position. You can move. You see that if we move, okay, we still changing position. It's like this. So now maybe good positions, I think. Okay. Okay. And then it's dimension. All right, we put dimensions. So we go to annotate, and then I give the dimension of the circle first diameter. So we have to give on the circle view. This one is 50. Okay. See that the number is not changed. This text height is 2.5. Okay. This one is 32 for me. We can relocations or rearrange the position of dimension after that. And this circle as well. and radius. You see that at this time, just only AutoCAD fix. We have the radius only 2 presses, but if from out the number 11, we have 4 multiply, right? Because we can see 4 presses on this model, but this one we have only 2 presses, you can see. Okay, so here we can edit it and press the 2 multiply, 2x, okay, 2 multiply. After that, put more dimensions. For the diameter, maybe we do not need to show the dim light forces. So dim light forces are off. Okay, it's more clear. After that, press the linear. Excuse me, maybe we forgot to changing the line type to be dimensions. Alright, so I check all here and I change the line type to be dimension line. Okay, excuse me. And then for next one, choose the dimension line type. Okay, in layer property, and then draw this. Okay, so then we can mix the maybe this one for 126. $22. Need to reassociate. Okay, they have some question for needs ask us to reassociation, so you click it again, and then for the diameter we need to give this center position, so click here and the end of the center line. This is 63, and this one in these positions we keep it maybe this way is better. 37.5, and then for this height 10, we give it by this. Okay, this is 15, and you give this position of this 65, and then this thickness 25. All right. Okay, check again. This center point we have 33, and then by projections we know here is already 37.5, and then for this circle, this center point, we have 37.5, but we still do not have this. So we select the position of this center point, maybe to be here, 20. Alright, and this one a little bit move. Then this off. After that, and for the length, this one, this one, this one. So we know this. This is at the center. We already have. All right, and for the height, we know this. We know this. This is the point. We know this and this. Okay. And then this one. Maybe this 32. All right, 32. And for the thickness or the width, no, the depth. Okay, we know we have the 37.5, so we need the 75 here. Okay. Okay, I think it is okay, right? 32. All right. So student, check by yourselves that here the dimensions enough or not. Some dimension duplicated or not. Some we lack some dimension or not. Okay, we miss some dimension or not. Check by yourself. And the section already here. All right. So then after that, edit title is the AutoCAD 3D, right? The title here, AutoCAD 3D. Subtitle is the third angle. Maybe no need to define that third angle because we are showing the symbol. Okay, and scale on 1. No, 1, 2, sorry. And draw by me. Date today is Sunday, April. This small April is okay. And 3. Great. Page number 11. 11. Part number. Symbol still here. Part name. Not now. Material. After that. View design. After that. This is 2 by 2 of 2. Alright. So finish for layout 1 and layout 2. Okay. So after you complete, you print. Okay. You print PDF file. Print example and then buy this and preview. Okay, this is for first file and you print it like this. After that, this layout as well, print. Okay, preview. Okay, and print to PDF and submit to the our classwork. Alright. Before you submit in our lecture, we will discuss about the material and then discuss about the how many number of dimensions. Okay, and everything about your question. After that, you complete your work and you submit to the classroom. Okay, do not forget to save. Okay, see you in the lecture time. Okay, or the classroom. Bye bye.